Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix SMITE 2 game lagging, freezing, stuttering, low FPS drop or other issues on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first thing what you have to do is simply click on the play button and you will get two options, play SMITE 2 and play using DirectX 11. So select the first one and after that click on play. But if you cannot play the game or the game doesn't launch, you can select play using DirectX 11 and after that click on the play button. But if the issue still continues, then you have to go through the next methods. So the next method is to check the system requirements of the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here. After searching for the game on Steam, just go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the problem still occurs, come back again, type -d3d11 and then check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, then come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. So the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Now select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. After that, go below, here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again, so simply confirm it and after that log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, then click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to delete easy anti-cheat folder. So for that, just go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you can see easy anti-cheat folder. So what you have to do is simply, you can take a backup of it and keep somewhere else and after that right click on it and then click on delete option. After you have done this, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files and after this it will reinstall the easy anti-cheat files and will restore the missing files and after that you can try to launch the game and check whether it's launching or not. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. Now right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for a device manager. Now on here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So whatever you get, click on it. Wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game once again and then check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have antivirus software installed, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This is an useful method that will surely help to fix the problem. Next solution is to install DirectX. So for that I have already given this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in a browser. It opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on a system. After that, install it. Once you install it, now launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to find for graphics settings. Well, now click on add desktop app, as you have to add the game to the list. After that, go to the select the game over here. After adding it, you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall SMITE to game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall SMITE to game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.